How to connect Sennheiser Momentum through wireless 4. Hi there, welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn how to quickly and easily connect your Sennheiser Momentum through wireless 4 earbuds to any device, whether it's smartphone, laptop, or tablet. Let's get started. Step 1. Take the earbuds out of the case. First, open the charger case and take both earbuds out. They should automatically turn on and enter the pairing mode. You will see the LED flashing blue or red and blue. If that happens, you're good to go. Step 2. Enable Bluetooth on your device. Now, grab your phone or other device and make sure Bluetooth is turned on. Go into the Bluetooth settings and wait for your earbuds to appear in the list. Step 3. Select Momentum through Wireless 4. Once you see Momentum 4 on the screen, tap to connect. If a confirmation shows up, just accept it. You will hear a voice prompt saying connected, and that means you're ready to go. Step 4. Manually enter pairing mode. If the earbuds don't go into pairing mode automatically, don't worry. Just place them in your ears and hold both touchpads for about 5 seconds until the LED starts flashing. That means they're in pairing mode. Optional. Use the Sennheiser Smart Control app. You can also download the Sennheiser Smart Control app from the App Store or Google Play Store. It lets you customize your sound, control touch gestures, and even update the firmware. Bonus tip: pair with a second device. Want to pair with a second device? Tap 3 times on either touchpad while wearing the earbuds to re-enter pairing mode, and connect just like before from the Bluetooth menu. And that's it. That was the tutorial on how to connect your Sennheiser Momentum. To Wireless 4. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.